Welcome back to the channel, folks. Did you know your Google Pixel 9a could survive a 10-foot drop with the right case? In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best Google Pixel 9a drop protection cases to keep your phone safe and stylish. Whether you're a clumsy dropper or just want peace of mind, these cases are a game changer. Stick around because we're giving you all the details. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to grab these cases at the best prices. Let's get started. Number 5 is Spigen Rugged Armor. What if I told you that one of the most affordable cases out there offers military-grade protection without sacrificing style? Meet the Spigen Rugged Armor, a standout pick in our top 5 best Google Pixel 9a drop protection cases. This case isn't just tough, it's smartly designed with air cushion technology and flexible TPU that absorbs shocks like a champ. Its matte black finish, carbon fiber accents, and slim profile feel modern and sleek in hand. You'll love the tactile button response and raised lips that shield your screen and camera. It's a case that screams durability without shouting for attention. Whether you're clumsy or just cautious, this case offers peace of mind every time your Pixel 9a slips from your grip. But number 4 is Vihibii Wallet Case. Looking for one of the best Google Pixel 9a drop protection cases that also doubles as a wallet. The Vihibii Wallet Case is a total game changer. With its 2025 upgraded design, this case combines military-grade drop protection, a secure sliding camera cover, and RFID blocking technology, all in one sleek package. The sturdy back compartment easily stores 4 or 5 cards or cash, so you can leave your bulky wallet at home. Plus, the air-cushioned corners and raised bezels keep your Pixel 9 safe from harsh impacts and scratches. The newly designed hinge locks your card securely without worrying about accidental openings. For just $19.99, it offers premium features normally found in higher-end cases. If you're serious about protecting your phone and simplifying your everyday carry, the Vihibii Wallet Case absolutely deserves a spot in the top 5 best Google Pixel 9a drop protection cases this year. On number 3 is Ringke Camo Black. Did you know one slip can turn your Pixel 9a into a costly paperweight? That's why the Ringke Camo Black earns a solid spot among the top 5 best Google Pixel 9a drop protection cases. With its tough, shockproof build and stylish camo design, it's more than just rugged, it's a statement. The non-slip microdot pattern helps prevent drops before they happen, while precise cutouts protect your camo lens without blocking your shots. Thanks to the anti-fingerprint tech, it stays clean and sharp even after heavy use. Built-in strap holes make it adventure-ready. For just $12.99, it's seriously impressive, and no import headaches. If you're after a Pixel 9, a rugged case that's protective, bold and affordable, Ringke Camo Black deserves a spot on your shortlist. Would you trust it to guard your Pixel? Number 2 is JAME Alpine Green. Ever wonder how to keep your Pixel 9 safe without sacrificing style? The JAME Alpine Green might just be your answer. With its sleek dual-layer design of hard PC and soft TPU, it delivers enhanced shockproof protection, keeping your phone safe from those dreaded drops. This case also features a 360° rotating ring stand, making it super versatile for watching videos or using a magnetic car mount not included. The raised edges give extra protection for your screen and camera, while its anti-scratch and anti-fingerprint tech ensures it stays clean and smooth. For just $8.99, it's a steal in the top 5 best Google Pixel 9a drop protection cases lineup. The only downside, it doesn't support wireless charging unless you remove the case. Overall, this is a solid, affordable option if you want protection and functionality. What do you think? Would you give it a try? Now, moving to the last one is Ringke Rugged Gear. Think your Pixel 9a can survive a hard drop without real protection? Think again. The Ringke Rugged Gear steps up as a strong contender among the top 5 best Google Pixel 9a drop protection cases. Built with tough shockproof materials and a non-slip microdot texture, It's designed to prevent those heart-stopping slips. Precise cutouts shield your camera lenses, while the anti-fingerprint tech keeps your case looking clean. Plus, built-in strap holes add a bonus for extra security on the go. At just $12.99. It's a steal. And no import hassles either. If you want a Pixel 9 rugged case that's lightweight but battle-ready, this one's worth a serious look. Would you trust it to protect your phone every day? So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best Google Pixel 9a drop protection cases. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.